Shuman's Exhaust Care did the work. That guy does really, really good work. He's quick, he's good, he's detail oriented. So, I mean, he even takes the time to prime and paint the pipes that he puts in for you, just to help with the pipes not rusting in the future. So he cares about what he does. He really takes the time to eye everything, make sure it looks really, really good. Really, really genuine, nice guy. There's a link to his Facebook page in the description below. Go check him out, give him a follow, look at the work he does. He does really good work. Things that show that a guy does really good work and cares about what he does is his shop was in really, really good order. It was very clean. Just super nice guy. But overall, I mean, you can see that it quiets down. But when you're driving at a normal speed, you have it in a good gear at low RPMs, it gets pretty quiet. When you downshift, it sounds good. I mean, it's just got a good noise to it. I'm surprised at how much just getting rid of the mufflers really livens the sound of this car up. Pretty happy with it. Really, at first I really wasn't happy with the kind of rasp that you get from it, but I've actually heard axle backs that are more raspy than this, so I'm actually really, really starting to love it more and more. It gets really good burbles when you're downshifting. In between shifts, you get good burbles. I mean, it sounds really good for a very affordable option when it comes to an exhaust for the Mustang. Just got a little crackle there in between shifts. So overall, super happy with how it sounds. It's just, yeah, I really like it. Really happy with it. If you want some work done for yourself, go check out Shuman's Exhaust Care. He's actually in Waterloo, Indiana, but man,